Hey Rob, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go through your online presence. So I'll take a quick look at your website. These call to actions are super good for your conversions. I would recommend a click to call as well as the forms. And something that I'd recommend is adding more content to your homepage. The reason is because Google has crawlers that are crawling 24/7, and they're looking on all the websites, looking through the content for keywords. And to be considered an authority with Google, you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage, and then you want some keywords embedded throughout. So let's take a look at a keyword. And so this is something that people are searching for every single month. And the first thing that pops up when people search for this are some ads here. But under those ads is the Google Map Pack section. And 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And so the way to rank here is to have a Google business profile that has more citations than these other companies. And you want a good amount of reviews and photos as well. And you want to be ranking here because the top 3 get the majority of that 30 to 40%. And if we scroll down here, this is where your website would be ranking. And so the rest of the 60 to 70% of business goes into this section here. Let's see if I can find you. Here you are. So that is super good that you're on the first page for this keyword. You are towards the bottom. I'd recommend ranking up higher. The number 1 ranking website gets the majority of that business, but to be in the top 3 is super good. And so let's take a look at that number 1 ranking. So I have them pulled up here. They have some good call to actions as well. Looks like it'd be super easy to outrank them with the content. But let's compare the back end of each website. So I have Allied plugged in here. So this data is pulled from Google data. The UR and the DR are ratings, and this is the website's trust and authority. And so what makes up these ratings here are backlinks. So they have over 1,000 backlinks here coming from 390 referring domains, and they have 7,000 organic keywords on their website. So what a backlink is it's one website linking to another, and it is worth mentioning that not all backlinks are created equal, and so there are spammy backlinks that can bring these numbers down, and there are powerful ones that can bring these numbers up. And so you want to make sure you're getting good quality backlinks to boost your numbers. But let's take a look at yours. So I have yours pulled up here. You have a 34 and a 17 coming from almost 1.8 thousand backlinks, which are coming from 246 referring domains and 706 organic keywords. And so what I'd recommend here is you are beating them with these numbers here. But as you can see, there are quite a bit less organic keywords on your website. And so you do want to keep making sure that you are building your backlink profile. It is something that it changes every month. People are constantly adding backlinks with press releases and things like that. So you want to continue building this, but you also want to add keywords to your website, because if Google doesn't know that you provide the service that the customers are searching for, they won't know to connect you to them. So let's take a look at some of their keywords. Foundation repair Houston, 1.7 thousand people are searching for this every single month. Just trying to find some buyer intent keywords. Houston foundation repair, 300. And so this list just keeps going. So I would recommend making sure that you have more content on your homepage of your website. but also having the buyer intent keywords on your website. So that way that you can be found for all of the keywords of the services that you provide in the areas that you service. And having your Google business profile with more citations, you do want to be ranking there as well to get that traffic that goes into the Google business profile. And if you ever need any help implementing any of these things, I would be more than happy to help you, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Thank you.